Hello and welcome back to our video. Today's video, as you can see on the title, is about the websites from where you can earn extra cash uploading your own photos. Here is the first website, the 500px. Get paid for your photos with 500px licensing. You can sell your photos, keep your copyright, and get your photography the attention it deserves. You can sell your pictures here. I am listing you the most important or the best websites that you can have to sell your photos or videos. Please like this video, share with your friends, and support us to subscribe in our channel. This is the first website. Okay. A lot of people are selling their photos here. This is about the first website. The second website is Alami. Alami is a good website where you can sell your pictures, and there are some terms and conditions of the contract. The content, submission and deletion, effects of deletion, contributor warranties, obligation representations, indemnities, appointment of Alami, obligations, promotion, and many other contents. As you can see here, this is related to the website. So there are also a lot of carriers over here. As you can see, there are many jobs from UK, US, India, Australia. Okay, and many others. You can create your account and get started over here. The next website is about Dream Time. So this is the website which I am recommending for you. Okay. Here where you can upload and sell photos. You'll enjoy easy upload and fast review. Share your work and we will make it available in seconds. Earn up to $12 for royalty free and more for extended licenses. So they say that you can earn up to $12 per picture or per upload. Over here, the next website is about free pick contributor. I think this website is quite interesting website where you can share your pictures. Over here, as you can see, many of the people are making money from this website. Become a contributor, join now. You can log in from Google, Facebook as well. Okay, the next website is Invato. or invite to, as you can call it. Earn more doing what you love. Become an element author like this. We pay others 50% of the net subscription revenue from subscribers who have downloaded their items. Each earning cycle split among eligible authors using the subscriber share model. Check out the payouts for individual elements category for more information. You can apply over here. Apply for elements. There are so many branches of these websites. Market, Element Studio, Church. Okay, you can just continue with Google, or you can fill in all the information and create your own account and start over here. So the next website is about Shutterstock. Sorry, maybe the internet is quite slow. You have to refresh. So this is the website which I told you, Shutterstock. I think it is on the French. So here, share your work and start earning. Contributor, you can create and you can join. They say that more than 1 billion paid out, $1 billion. And this website is about 15 years old. Okay, here where you can sell your pictures. Here is the contributor app. You just click join now. As you can see here, you can fill the form and click next to join the policy of the website. The last website is about Adobe Stock ST. It is also a quite good website where you can upload your pictures and start making money. Okay, you can just join, and I think most of the websites are same, using their policy and follow the guidelines.